was an empty lot for 60 years, and now it's growing food for the community. It's pretty awesome. We take our green waste and compost it to make basically biodynamic soil, which we use to grow food to give away to the community.
That's the sound of urban agriculture. It's city noise, and one of the things that makes this pretty cool, I think, all of these little plots, is that there are these little oases that people that live in cities don't see.
We work with young adults to train them about urban agriculture, the connection to the environment. We educate on the ability to self-sustain through local agriculture, and basically connect people to the very basis of their needs, which is how to grow food.
But there's another benefit to all of this too, and that's that it's a community building. I tell people community buildings is as important really as getting people to eat better.
One of the opportunities that opened up was the City of Long Beach and their UAIZ program, where we were connected with this property to sort of call our own and start laying a foundation. We are training future urban farmers to develop the ability to create their own businesses, their own pathways, their own jobs through finding a backyard, finding a small empty lot, working with their church to grow food that can feed their neighbors, feed their home, feed their community. The goal is to connect that with the restaurateurs and all of the economy that's here locally. You know, people love to come to Long Beach to eat. It's known for the restaurants, it's known for the atmosphere and the vibe. And so getting these locally grown, seasonal, amazing tasting, healthy foods into that economy is really what we're seeking to do in part, and to give young adults, veterans, people looking to transition to something that they love and have a passion about, the ability to just like sink their fingers into the dirt and know that they can, make a living or provide for themselves doing something that they love.